So we're here at 10 Speed, which is this really neat coffee shop in town, and we're just hanging out. And we're just, you know, hanging out with the girls. Say hi. Lexus is eating. Andrea and Ashlyn are in the bathroom, and Nana's walking back with the baby and Andrea's coffee. Just said that. Didn't I just say that? So she's definitely teething now?
Well, maybe. We'll see.
Hey, baby. Baby. Alright. Now we're getting the doggy. He's at the groomer's gonna smell so good. He's gonna be a very happy doggy. Here he is. Oh, he's so happy. This is the... Look at the doggy and the kitty. Oh, jeez. Hey.
My goodness.
Hey, guys. So, I haven't really vlogged much today, but I just thought I'd share the tidings of joy with you all. Today is my parents' I think it's their 8th wedding anniversary. They've been married for 8 years. And so they're out celebrating, and I'm stuck at home taking care of him, as usual. About to feed him. And yeah, just kind of hanging out today. So yesterday I filmed some stuff and...
Who was in this car last?
Your husband? So yesterday I did film stuff, but I didn't upload it because I didn't have enough vlogging footage and blah. So we're on our way to the gym, and I found headphones. Yay! Now I can work out and actually have some motivation. Okay. Here we go. Bright sun in my eyes. Shining off my car. Alright, done at the gym. Gonna go get coffee. And then we actually have something planned today. I'm babysitting. So, lots of fun with little kids. So during my workout, I got sick again, or I felt sick again. Is that normal if you're not consistent with...
You're not normal. You're abnormal. Totally abnormal. As a human, you're abnormal.
Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
We did not support that attack. It's more about calming.
But seriously, is that normal if you're inconsistent with strength workout versus cardio? Because I seem to do a lot more cardio than I do strength, and every time I do strength, unless I do it like consistently, I get sick. And even the comments below, is that normal?
He's also, what's the word for it?
Out of shape?
No.
Well, we want to hear more about Tommy Robinson and the town he comes from.
I don't know what she's trying to say. I have never in my life, been able to read my mother's peculiar mind.
Are a hypochondriac.
No, I am... Okay.
Yes, you are.
But I did feel sick. It was like right after I got off of that thing, you know, where you hold on to it and you lift your legs. But it changes every time right after I do any different exercise. And it seems to happen when I'm not consistent, when I'm more consistent with my cardio than I am with my strength. So that's why I'm wondering, should I be more consistent? Andrea, I hate you for teaching Mom that. Okay, so we are going to get my car fixed because it is losing air in one of its tires. which is why I'm not driving it. So that's what we're doing. Okay. Yikes. Does it look okay? Oh. Mom?
It's definitely lower.
That's getting worse.
You know what? It hasn't cracked across the plate of the thing yet, has it?
Still.
In the winter it will, and then the winter will get it fixed. But we're not going to replace it for a little tiny crack.
Okay then. So now, what was a simple filling up of the tire has now turned into a trip to Les Schwab because there's a nail in my tire. How the heck did a nail get there? What did I run over?
You poked it in.
Yeah. So that's what we're doing today. We're getting my car fixed in a time crunch because I have to be at my sister's between 2:15 and 2:30 to take care of two of her 3 kids while she takes one of them to the doctor because the baby has a lazy eye or is having eye problems. She's not focusing, so they're taking her to the doctor. She has eye goobers. And so we're taking her, she's taking her to the doctor, and I'm watching the 6 and the 3-year-old. Okay, here we go. So we're done at Les Schwab. They said it was going to take 15 minutes, it took an hour. So we're crunched for time again, and we have 15 minutes to get to my sister's house. 1:58. So we have 17 minutes to get to my sister's house. This should be fun. There it is. Whee!
You did that again. You did it again.
Tell them what you're doing.
So, originally we were going to try to move this humongous beanbag upstairs. But, hi Lulu. We were going to try and roll it up the stairs, and then I was like, this is way too narrow, this thing is going to get stuck, and also, I can't pull it up myself, so we got it to the base of the stairs, and now we're just using it as a gigantic cushion to throw Ashlyn into. And she's got a massive wedge, and now she's using it as a trampoline. Look at Lulu.
Monster!
Look at Lulu. Look how cute Lulu is. Look how cute she is. She's just sitting at the top of the stairs.
Monster!
Hold on, I'm texting. And by what are your grades? Oops, wrong person. That's Andrea. Hi, I'm inside of a tube. I meant and oh poo. This isn't gonna work. Facebook. Excuse me, I just tooted.
He just tooted!
And by what are your grades? Okay, and what else do I have on Facebook? I have people talking to me. Message, chat, email.
No.
Turn her around.
I can't, I'm stuck inside of a stinking tube.
That's the funniest thing you ever said.
Alexis is busy filming. Hang on. Get me out of this thing. Oh gosh. I'm standing on a love sack
With a tube on you.
with a tube on me, and I'm about to fall.
You hit your own camera.
This is really unstable. And we found a dead mouse, but nobody wants to see that.
What?
Never mind.
I didn't film that same.
Oh.
Let me see. What did you say?
Nothing.
You said something about a dead mouse.
Yeah, but nobody wants to see that.
You don't have to see it, really. You just have to hear.
So, what we were playing is, we have these, they're meant for looming, and it's like a type of sewing, but they look like hair ties to me for girls. But we've been using them to fire at each other, and this is my protection while the girls have a fort. And I'm standing on the beanbag. Love sack beanbag. Whatever, it's a gigantic fluffy thing. It's so fluffy! Anyway, oh, goody. Okay. Anyways, I don't know what I'm doing. I can't exactly hear. Let's fire one at the camera. Watch, I'm gonna miss and I'm gonna hit Lexus in the face. See? I did. I missed Lexus in the face.
That's me.
Hi. So, I have this nice protected view, widescreen view, and then to fire, I just bend down. Hi, hi. Now you'd think that these two could, launch a couple in here, but I don't know. Where's your sister? Let's see if I can get off the beanbag without killing myself. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is like Godzilla. Holy moly. Okay. Okay. Wonder if this is what Harry felt like in the invisibility cloak. Holy moly. Okay, we've made it. And now you get to see the full thing on me. Covers my feet. And now you can see my chest. MTV, what up? Hang on. No, I am not taking off my shirt. Fixing my undershirt. Now you can see my head. Hi. Let go of the camera. Sheesh. Such a camera hog. Just such a camera hog. Sharpay, Ashley Tisdale, you've got competition. Oh, jeez. Whoa. Wild animal attack. Ah! And Riley's being a cute dog again. This is what he does. This is what I was trying to film the other day. So I just got back from babysitting, which was pretty fun for the most part. We found a dead mouse. And both Riley and I are tired. Riley was outside and it's hot. It's 80 degrees today, and that's a lot. That's very warm for a doggy with a ton of fur. So he's tired. He's about ready to take a nap. I'm using my leg as a pillow. Right, buddy? Right, buddy? Look at that tail going. Get that tail going. He's my best pal. Riley's my best pal. Yes, he is. Look at that cute face. Look at this unbelievably cute face. He's just got that face. He's got a face. Okay. So I'm going to edit this vlog now. The first part of the vlog will be stuff that I filmed yesterday that I didn't upload because I got distracted. I'll be honest with you. I was watching this BBC show called David Copperfield, based on the novel by Charles Dickens, and I just watched the first 2 episodes of it because they had Daniel Radcliffe in it, and I wanted to see what it was about. Actually, I was like, what is this about? And then I played Sims. That game is just like, I start playing it and I can't stop. I don't want to. So, yeah, and I'm tired. It's a hot day today. Ooh, this is kind of cool. This is a different angle. But yeah, that's what's going on. Oh, so yeah, in the vlogs, there'll be footage from yesterday, which was my parents' anniversary, and then footage from today, like this, which you're seeing now. Okay, bye.